So hi friends, this is Amit. As you all are done with the first attempt of JEE Mains 2025, so as you all are preparing for either of second attempt or for the JEE Advanced exams, so most of you are targeting the JEE Advanced exam. So here I am with the JEE Advanced 2025 marks versus expected rank versus all 23 IIT. Say for score what you should have to get CSE, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering and lower branch in IIT college. So please try to watch this video up to the last, because here I will provide you the category wise rank for each category. So please try to watch it up to the last, so that you will get the complete information. And if you want my complete guidance, you can check the description. There is a nominal charge payment. Thereafter you can contact me for complete guidance. So here is the information. If you are scoring 300 plus, because in 4 year last years they are conducting the exam of 360 marks. It is not defined. Every year they will reveal the examination marks, that is total marks of exam on the day of exam itself. This year in 2025, whether it will be 360 or 380 or 400, that will be decided on the date of exam itself after the exam. But in last 3-4 years they are conducting around 360 only, so I am considering that only and providing you the information. For general 110 rank you will get at 300 plus marks, EWS under 10, OBC under 15, SC ST you will get rank 100% sure if you are scoring 300 plus marks. 280 plus, 220 rank for general, EWS 200 rank, OBC 30 rank and SC ST again 1 rank you will get at this also. And now 260 plus, 500 rank for general, EWS 45, OBC 55, and 240 plus, 970 and 140 rank, that is for general, EWS, OBC, SC ST. You can check sidewise, because for these high marks there is not lots of strength from SC ST category. For 220, 1.5 thousand for general, 140 for EWS, OBC 230, SC under 5. 210 plus, 2k, that is for general, 190 for EWS, 330 for OBC, 10 for SC and under 5 for ST category. For 200 plus marks, if you are scoring in the advanced exam including both the paper, 2.6 thousand rank for general and 250 for EWS, 450 for OBC and SC rank will be under 15. For 190 plus, 3.4 thousand for general, 350 for OBC, 350 for EWS, 600 for OBC, 20 for that is SC and 10 ST category. Now for 180 plus, 4.5 thousand, 480, 800, 90 and 15 respectively for all category, that is for general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. Now I will provide you some information about my complete mentorship and guidance program. In the description you will able to check the detail also. In the next section you will able to get the complete idea of my guidance, what I will provide you through my guidance for all the complete examination across India, not only about JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, but for all exam until final admission is done. For JEE, I will be guiding you for JOSA counseling, CSAB counseling, and there are many other counseling also across India. You can check in my next section, you will able to check the detail. Complete guidance for all college across India. So once you join this, you will get the best college by the end of this year academic season, that is 100% sure. Guidance for JEE, BITSET, BIT, Nepal, Amrita, COMEDK, SRM and many other college like WBJEE, KSET, STCET, GoodSET. There are lots of college and college counseling also, Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh, multiple counseling. So get best college and branch for sure, that is 100% sure, as I am having the 6-7 of years of experience, and best strategy and roadmap for each exam, how you should enroll in examination, how to prepare for that and how to get the best result, and then how to get the best college with best fee and best branch as well. One-to-one call, message, video session, everything is available, and counseling be one-to-one only, then only you will able to ask all the question. And until you get into the best college, I will be guiding you. Choice filling, decision making, that is very important thing that I will be doing for you. Personalized choice filling for you, what should be the correct order, decision making after each round, freeze, float, slide, what you should do, everything I will be guiding you. For 170 plus, 6000 rank, 650, 1100, 130 and 25 for general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. For 160 plus, 850 for EWS, 1.5 thousand for OBC, 180 for SC and 35 for ST category. For 150 plus, 9.5 thousand for general, 1200 for EWS, 2000 for OBC, 250 for SC and 50 for ST category. Now for 140 plus, 12,000, 1.7 thousand, 2.8 thousand, 340 and 70 days for general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST respectively. For 130 plus, 15.5 thousand for general, 2.3 thousand for EWS, 3.9 thousand for OBC, 440 for SC, 100 for ST. 120 plus, 20,000 rank, that is for general, and 3000 for EWS, 5.3 for OBC, 630 for SC, 150 for ST category. Now for 110 plus, if you are asking, then the general I am not covering, because at 110 you will not get anything, so that's why I am not providing you. At 110 you may not clear the cutoff of this year also. Later I will provide you the cutoff information also, what is expected for this year subject wise and overall. So kindly be in the video up to the last. 4000 for EWS, 7000 for OBC, 900 for SC, and 200 for ST category. For 100 plus, 5.5 thousand for EWS, 9000 for OBC, 1.3 thousand for SC, 300 for ST. For 90 plus, 1.8 thousand for SC and 450 for ST. 80 plus, 2.5 thousand for SC, 650 for ST. 70 plus, 3.5 thousand for SC, 950 for ST. And 60 plus, 5,000 for SC and 1.5 thousand for ST, that is scheduled caste and scheduled tribe respectively. So this was about the marks versus expected category rank for JEE Advanced 2025. Now I will discuss the expected cutoff to be into the rank list of JEE Advanced. Once you score a sufficient marks subject wise and overall, then you will be eligible for rank list of JEE Advanced. So that will be 10 marks subject wise, total marks 115, and OBC 9 marks subject wise, total marks 100 out of 360, and EWS 9 marks, again 100 marks, SC 5 and 55, ST 5 and 55 again. So this is the cutoff marks subject wise minimum and total marks, that is aggregate marks after considering both the paper, all three subjects. So hope you get this information useful. Now I will discuss about the JEE Advanced 2025 CSE branch cutoff for top 7, top 15 and lower 30, that is lower, you can say up to the last. So there is three type of college in IIT: top 7, 15 that is average, lower 23 that was established in 2016, average 2008, and earlier was 1956, 1960 like this. Those were top 7 college. So here is the information: general 700 and 2.5 thousand, it is after slash the data is for female students, so kindly check it properly. And average 3.5 thousand and 8,000, lower 7,000 and 12.5 thousand. EWS 140 and 450 rank, that is for top 7. These are category wise rank. For general it is CRL rank, and for other category it is category rank. For average IIT 500 and 1.2 thousand male and female, lower 1.1 thousand, 2.2 thousand. OBC 400, 1.5 thousand, 2.5 thousand, that is top 7, 15 and 23 male student. After slash you can check for female, and top 7 means top college, average college means middle one, and lower means the up to 23rd college. SC 200, 800, 1.3 thousand, after slash you can check for female SC category. ST 110, 400 and 700, after slash you can check for female. Now I will discuss a very important thing, that is after all said and done, that is once you get the score and everything, you have to do the counseling carefully, JOSA counseling, otherwise you will not get the college. So be very careful during the counseling, and for that you can contact me as soon as possible, so that you will be in my touch, and so that you will not do any mistake whether you should go with the lower NIT college or private college, or lower NIT with CSE, or better NIT with lower college, or IIT with lower branch, or NIT with CSE branch. So different thing I will be discussing continuously with you, so that you can take the right decision for yourself for your BTech career. So now I will discuss for electrical engineering: top 7, 2.3, 7.3, 10,000, it is for top 7, 15 average, and lower 23 means up to 23rd college, last college. General, after slash you can check for female student. EWS 460, 1.2 thousand, 1.8 thousand. OBC 1.2, 2.4, 4.4, after slash you can check for female OBC and EWS. SC 650, 1.6, 2.5 thousand, it is after slash you can check for female again. ST 400, 700, 800. Now if we talk about for mechanical, again top 7, general 5,000, average 11, lower 13,000. EWS 900, 1.8 thousand, 2.5 thousand. OBC 2.4, 3.5, 5.5. After slash you can check for female student of each category, and all the rank that I am providing you, these are the category rank. For EWS 900 is the category rank, not the general rank. For general it is CRL rank. For SC 1.4, 2.2, 2.6 thousand. ST 600, 900, 1100. Now I will discuss the lower branch, means anyhow if you want to join the IIT college, how much marks or rank you should have. For general 18 and 26,000, and marks 120 and 116 you need to get for male and female. EWS 3 and 5,000, 120 and 105 marks. OBC 6.5 thousand and 9,000, marks requirement 117, 101. SC 3.5 and 5.5 thousand, male and female, That is category wise rank I am providing you. Marks requirement is 70 and 58. ST 1.5, 1.8, marks requirement 60 and 56. This was about the complete information regarding JEE Advanced Examination of 2025. This was very difficult data to create. It takes lots of time and effort from my side. Kindly subscribe the channel so you will not miss any update and information regarding any entrance exam across India, not only JEE Mains or Advanced, but all entrance exam across India for engineering examination. Thank you.